In this video, we're going to talk about the Zoom navigation tool. So it's over here. It does have a shortcut key of Z for zoom. So if I have a different tool selected and I press the Z key, you can see we select the zoom tool. When the zoom tool is selected, what you can do is you can click and drag with you can left click and drag, and pulling it down will make things bigger, and pushing it up will make things smaller. If you are using a touch device, you can use one finger to do this when the tool is selected. If you're using a mouse with a wheel, it doesn't matter what tool is selected. If you roll, you will zoom in and out. If you're using a touch device, you can use a pinch gesture to zoom in and out as well, regardless of the tool that's selected. Now, when zooming, it is important to note that whatever you put your mouse or your finger, your pointer over, when you initiate the zoom, that is what you will be zooming on. So let me enable the tool and demo that. So if I were to put my mouse over the right edge of the stage here, what you'll see is as I zoom in, we're focusing in, we're zooming in on that point that I started the mouse on. So conversely, if I put my mouse over here, notice we're going to zoom in. Oops, didn't work. If I put my mouse over here, notice we're going to zoom in on the left edge of the stage. If you start your zoom on the background, we're just going to center around the world, which can get a little funky if you have your stage off to the side, for example, and then you zoom. You can see we're still centering around. We're zooming around the center of the view. So it's always best to start your zoom to click on the point that you want to zoom on, or start your touch on the point you want to zoom on.